I feel like this camp has provided a platform for all of us to sort of have a discussion or debate about certain things that might be taboo or not talked about enough in Malaysia, because I feel like this newer generation of young people are really mature enough to have these sort of sensitive discussions and important, hard to answer questions about diversity in Malaysia.
We learned that identity is not a simple thing. So when we were figuring out our identities, we played a game called Fishbowl, where you choose a topic and you talk about it, like tell your own story. Everyone was very honest, so I feel I'm being very vulnerable but in a comfortable way during the game.
Sepanjang camp ini berlangsung, saya berasa sangat-sangat gembira dan sangat bersyukur kerana masih diberikan peluang untuk datang ke Pahang, ke camp ini dan berjumpa ramai kawan-kawan saya baharu yang mempunyai berlainan agama, rupa dan races dengan saya.
Camp ini sangat menarik. Ia telah mengajar saya banyak tentang diversiti di Malaysia, bahkan daripada luar negara.
Saya berasa selamat dan selesa dengan rakan-rakan yang saya ada di sini. Kerana walaupun kami datang daripada background yang sangat-sangat berlainan, tetapi kami cuba untuk menghormati antara satu sama lain dan mencapai kefahaman antara satu sama lain. Dan juga saya rasa amat selamat di sini kerana saya percaya apa yang saya kongsikan di sini hanya akan stay di sini sahaja.
This program is very important for youth in Malaysia because I feel like there's a lot of culture in Malaysia and we don't really know about their culture. So when we meet at like a camp like this with no phones, I feel like we really got to understand about other people's culture. I met people from Sabah and Sarawak and I really understood and learned something about their culture.